Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you the world's most valuable currency, and that is the Kuwaiti dinar. And at present I've got two dinar notes with me right now, and this is the 1 dinar note of Kuwait and this is the half dinar note of Kuwait. So let's check out this note one by one in this video. So this is the Kuwaiti 1 dinar front side, and you can see everything is written in Arabic here except the note serial number. Here it's written in English fortunately, but I'm unable to understand what is written here except the fact that this is one I can understand. And here it's depicting a mosque here, and here it's a dhau ship, which is a traditional form of ship, and everything else is written in English. And this is the multicolor note. So many different color notes is being printed in this note, and the design are very intricate designs are present in this note. And I believe this thing is a color shifting ink, and maybe this is glowing dark green, and if we tilt it like this it's showing some different color. So this is the front side of the note. Coming to the back side of the note, this side everything is written in English fortunately, and as you can see here, this note is issued by the Central Bank of Kuwait. And as you can see here, this is the security strip which is glowing green, and here it's showing some old artifact, some old column sort of thing, and one is written in big here and 1 dinar is written in words. Nothing else is written here much. So now let's check this note under the backdrop of light, what you can see. So if you see this under the backdrop of light, you can see that there's a watermark which is depicting here from this side, and if you see it from the front side, you can see the watermark here, and nothing else is being shown here. Now let's check out this note under UV light. What are the features present in this Kuwaiti 1 dinar note? So this is the Kuwaiti 1 dinar note under UV light, and as you can see here, the 1 is glowing here in fluorescent, and the note serial number is glowing in orange, and the note is changed into something different. There's some sort of irregular things all across the note. I've never seen such sort of features in any note before under UV light. Let's check out the back side now. So this is the back side, and you can see here there's a design here which is glowing in fluorescent and orange, and there's some small security strips which are scattered all across the note, and it's glowing fluorescent and pink. And the value of this Kuwaiti 1 dinar note is approximately 3.3 United States dollars. This value is 2.8 euro. And in pound sterling it is around 2.4 pound sterling. In Indian rupees it is approximately 246 Indian rupee. In Pakistani rupee, this note's value is around 525 Pakistani rupee, and the value of this note compared to the Bangladeshi taka is around 282 Bangladeshi taka for this 1 dinar note. So now after this 1 dinar note, let's check out the half dinar note. So this is the half dinar note I have with me. This is green more in background, and this half dinar note is looking more beautiful and colorful compared to the 1 dinar note in my opinion actually. So again, this is the front side of the note. As you can see here, this everything is written in English again except the note serial number, and there's a half written in English here. So again, it's depicting here on the front side, you can see the Kuwait towers. As you can see, these are the Kuwait towers is being here, and again the dhau ship is being shown here, and there's a half written in Arabic in this side. And coming to the back side of the note, again it's written in English in this side of the note. Again, this note is issued by the Central Bank of Kuwait, of course, and the half is written in English, and here half is written in Arabic. And you can see here there's a tortoise depicting here and a fish. So this is a green color note and very colorful note, and I like this note a lot. This is a paper based note, and the quality of this note is very good. So now let's check this note under the backdrop of light, what we can see. Checking out this note under the backdrop of light, you can see there's a falcon, I believe it's showing here, and the security strip as usual is glowing green. It shows green even under normal lighting conditions. If we see the back side again, this falcon is being shown here. I think this is a falcon, I'm not sure. Please say in the comment section below if I am wrong, but I think that this is a falcon because falcons are very popular in the Gulf countries. So now let's check out this note under UV light, what features we can see here. So this is the Kuwaiti half dinar note under UV light, and as you can see here, the half is glowing here in fluorescent, and there is a symbol which is also glowing. The note serial number is glowing in orange, and there are small security strips all across the note which is glowing in fluorescent and reddish some sort of thing. So there is very security features present here, and it's looking very colorful under UV light. Let's check out the back side now. And this is the backside of the Kuwaiti half dinar note, and as you can see here, this area is glowing in a red and orange. And this is the backside of the note, and you can see here this symbol is glowing in red and fluorescent, and the small strips are all across the note here, which is glowing in fluorescent and reddish pinkish thing. So this is also looking very gorgeous under UV light. So this note's value is around 1.65 US dollars. This note's value is around 1.4 euro, and this is around 1.2 pounds sterling. Value of this note in Indian rupees is approximately 123 Indian rupee. In Pakistani rupee, it's around 262 Pakistani rupee. And in Bangladeshi taka, it's around 141 Bangladeshi taka. So that was all about the world's most valuable currency, that is the Kuwaiti dinar. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So I'll be back with a new video very soon. Until next time, take care of yourself, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.